Give me the impact. Hey guys, it's Big Daniel here, bringing you another episode of Import Life Media, and guess what? That's right, you guessed it. I'm looking busted. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that?
Anyway, the homegirl Meredith hit me up. I guess she got a new Jeep. I don't know, Rubicon, Wrangler, well, I don't know all the different Jeeps, but anyway, I guess she wants me to switch out her running boards. She got some new ones, so she wants me to install them. Don't know much about Jeeps, but shouldn't be too hard. So I'm gonna move my truck, bring hers in my garage, and let's knock this out. Let's get the job done. Man, this girl just texted me talking about she here. I don't see nobody, dog. Walking the mile. See where this girl's at.
Hello.
What are you talking about? I'm standing outside. What? What do you see around you? Just look around and tell me. What do you mean, hold on? Like, you're trying to find where I'm at.
Okay, I am in front of number.
Man. Oh, shit. Hung up on her by accident. My bad. All right. What happened?
I said, do you want me to back in or go forward? I think back in is better.
Okay, then back in. So this is getting switched out right here. And I guess she's gonna show me what we're switching it out with.
These right here.
Cool.
These are the off the Rubicon.
The Rubicon. What is this?
This is the 2024 Jeep Wrangler 4xe high altitude, and then I went ahead and had it built on a 2.5 Fox lift through Mopar, and then I put some Toyos on it. Did a little slim stance. So these actually measure out to be about 35.1 and about 11.8, which the norm is usually 12.5, but I wanted a slim stance. No spacers, no Mickey Mouse. This shit is bomb as fuck.
All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're going to be driving a vehicle, know what the hell you're doing to it. Know what the hell you're driving. When people ask you questions, you better have information on it. She knows her ride. Let's get it in. All right. So, look at Meredith, dude. For those that don't know, I wear a size 18 shoe.
We're not doing this tonight.
And we're doing it right now. So, for whatever reason,
Nails done.
nobody cares about your nails. I wear a size 18 shoe and she feels like a child. What the? So what we're gonna do is this. So these rails, we're not gonna replace them both. We're gonna do one because what she wants to do is, I guess the ones that she has, the new ones, sit up a little higher. It's a little bit more sleek, more up on the body. She doesn't like this gap right here. She doesn't like that space. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna switch out one, and then now she's gonna be able to kind of determine if she wants to do the other ones or just go right back to what she wants to keep her Jeep as. Hold on. What are you doing? Meredith. I'm saying no. All right, man, let's get this started, man. God. All right, so these are the new ones. And they're actually labeled left side, right side. So we're only gonna put on the left side right now. So as you can see, you can tell they're a little bit smaller, but these are a little bit bulkier. She may or may not want to keep them. She may want to just switch them all out. But old, new. Let's get the first one in. So I'm gonna do one last bolt. Let's hope this is gonna come off. I just need for you to.
And I need to hold it.
Yeah, because I don't know how heavy it is.
So I can drop this. It's all.
You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
10. $1,000 feather.
Cool.
That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
So just actually, you can put it on top of the.
So we're gonna give them the bolts that go on the other side as well.
Everything, yeah.
Okay.
Right there. Yep. Lay it across, and then we're gonna put the new ones on. All right. Cool. Hand it to me. Okay. You can watch your Jeep.
That's cool.
And now she's gonna see what it looks like if she likes it. Close it to the body. Okay.
Oh my God, please.
So what I will, Meredith, what I will say. God, dude, she's crazy. So what I will say is.
Is the Navy or the Army crawl?
Do the Army crawl. You know you could have just walked around. All right. Did you make
I know this mark right here.
Cool. So here, hop up. Come here.
Hop up.
Help me help you.
Help me help you.
Give me a hand.
Driving me.
Okay, look.
I love it driving.
Okay.
Meredith.
Meredith, stand up because I need for you to look at it. Are we going to throw the other one on or are we going to keep it as
I like it.
Are you sure? Because understand this. Turn around and look. With this,
Ugly. Soccer mom.
the whole point of that is to be able to step up on something.
I barely use it anyways. It's for other people and fuck them.
Okay, so now if we go over here, it is up on the body, but you have nothing to step up on. Are you good with that? Yeah, there's no step. You just have to just hop in.
This is for you.
You good?
Yeah, we're cool. Let's hop in there anyways.
So pretty much it's not really used as a step. It's
So
just
if you wear a pencil skirt, you gotta be like.
it's not used as a step. It's almost to make your body look sleek.
Absolutely.
Like, you're okay with that being up like that. Come look at the other side one more time.
I think that it looks better. Absolutely. Soccer mom, not soccer mom.
Cool. So that's what we're going with. Final answer, because I'm gonna switch them.
Hold on. You'll switch them back if I just like change my mind in a week or something, right?
Yeah. Let me finish up. Okay. I need to know right now. Do you want me to finish up?
Yes, dude. Come on.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna complete it. Done. All right.
Even when I have the steps, I barely even use them. I still go and use a little grab handle.
Cool. This is what you wanted?
I think it looks prettier. I think it looks slimmer, nicer, and I think it covers the pinch. And that was my main concern. I think the pinch.
All right. You know what? We'll settle it this way. You guys in the comment section. You guys are seeing the before, and now you're gonna see the after. Let us know what you think on if she should have kept it the way she had it, or if we should have changed it. And at the end of the day, your comments in this situation doesn't matter because Meredith can't make up her mind at all. So, yeah. All right, we are done. This is what the final product looks like, whether she likes it or not. So, oh my God. Done deal. Here's the other side. On point. Easy. Dude, you know what? I could build a whole car all by myself. No, I can't. That's Meredith. All right. Okay. So, Shrek. There. Help me? Nah. Please like, subscribe. Make sure you tune in because who knows what I'm gonna bring you. I don't even know what's gonna happen.
There's a whole word.
Make sure you tune in. And if you're just a first-time viewer, make sure you tap in. Make sure you tap in and watch the other videos that I posted already. And if you have Instagram, make sure you have me on Instagram on Import Life Media. All right?
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
All right, I'm out, y'all.